InVideo AI tutorial: create videos easily with AI. Any type of video that we want for our YouTube, our blog, our website, or our social media. The video that we're going to be creating is going to be totally AI based. There's no editing from our side. There's no input from our side. All we're going to need to do is enter a prompt into the AI that InVideo provides us, and we're going to get the video. And this is very convenient for today's world because millions of videos get uploaded daily and they make a lot of money off of it. And if you want to do the same, this video is for you. To come to InVideo, please do make sure to check out the link in the description below so you can come to their page and sign up really easily. Okay, they're going to tell you how InVideo works, and you can go down and see all of their features. Mostly all their features are found over here. So you have InVideo AI, you see that you can edit your YouTube videos, slideshow maker, AI talking avatar, AI script generator, AI text to video, AI video editor, and a whole lot more. And then comes the InVideo Studio section, where you can actually go into InVideo's very own AI creating studio and make all these different things like intros, outros, video ad maker, birthday video, Instagram video, and a whole lot more. So to start things off, again, we're going to go ahead and sign up for an account, because without signing up, we will not be able to create videos using InVideo. Now, once we come to the sign up form, I'm simply going to go ahead and, enter all my details. And once we're signed up, we're going to get straight into the editing part. Now, this is basically InVideo AI's workspace. Now, what do we do in this workspace? Before getting into the actual video prompt and all these other things, I would first of all go over here and see this. Now, here, first of all, you have home, which is basically this page you're on. Then you have media library, where you're going to find all of your exports and videos you've done. Now, currently we don't have any, so it's going to be empty, so I'm not going to go there. So then we have plugins. Now in plugins, they're going to give you different voices. And these are different voices that you can add into the actual AI video that you're going to have InVideo create for you. You can add your very own voice as well. So let's say if you want to add your own voice, you can create a digital clone of that and add it over here. And, just start your very own YouTube channel with your own voice in AI. Okay, that's pretty much what Quebble Cop is doing nowadays, creating videos totally through AI, face, and voice. But we're simply going to come here to our home. Here, they're going to say create AI video, start from scratch. I'm going to click on that, and we're going to get straight into the AI creation. Now, before we get into the prompt adding, I would like to say, please do make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And please do make sure to turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss videos like this in the future. So moving on, here in the prompt section, we can add any topic or a prompt or any detailed instruction. Make sure that it's well detailed so it creates a proper video for you. So in my case, let's say I would like to go with something related to aliens or pyramids, So let me write my prompt and let me be right back. So here I've added my prompt. I've written, I want you to make a theory about aliens creating the pyramids. The whole premise of the video should be to convince the audience that aliens made the pyramids, as it was impossible to create such huge landmarks through manpower back in the day. Make sure to use alien images where they are constructing the pyramid and show a little manpower used beside it as well. Use creepy music and high definition images. The voiceover should be dark and deep as well. So, once you've added this prompt, you're simply going to click on generate a video. Obviously, your prompt can be more detailed than this. You have 3,600 words to give to them. So, go ahead and add whatever you want, but I feel like this should be enough for me. So I'm simply going to go ahead and click on generate a video. Now, do make sure to stay on this page while all this process is being done. And the reason for that is because we don't want to trigger any, abort or any other troubleshoot, because if you move away from the website or close the website, the actual preparation and generation might be halted. So let's just wait for this to fully create. If you want to go ahead and pass the time by creating more videos, make sure to open it in a new tab, okay? So if you open a new tab and go straight into InVideo, you can simply go into try InVideo, log in, with your account, it will take you straight into your workspace, and then you can start creating more things. So as this is being prepared, you can go ahead and create more videos, like let's say Joe Rogan podcast clips and compilation. Now this is a very, vague prompt. So let's see how it goes ahead and creates this as well. As you can see, this one is done. It gives us a title as well, Alien and Pyramids, a Cosmic Construction Theory. So the audience could be conspiracy theorists, history enthusiasts, or sci-fi fans. You can choose one of them. I'm going to go with conspiracy theorists. Then the look and feel, I'm going to go with dark, okay? Because I want a dark look. You could go with epic and dramatic as well. And then the platform, it could be for YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. I'm going to go with Instagram because then it will give me a reel format, and I want to go with a reel format. And once we've done that, we're going to click on continue. Now, while this is being finally generated, it's being finalized, it's not going to take a lot of time. At max, it's going to take you 5 minutes, but it also depends on the type of video you're going to create. And then while that is being done, we're going to wait for this one to be loaded in as well. Now, as our videos are being generated, I would also like to discuss InVideo AI's amazing and robust pricing, okay? So you have 3 basic plans. You have the free plan, you have the plus plan, and the max plan. Now on the monthly plan, free is obviously $0, plus is $25 on one user. Obviously, if you go more than that, it's going to get higher. And then same for max, it's $60, but the more you go, the more price you're gonna need to pay. And these plans, obviously the free plan will give you 10 minutes of AI generation, 10 gigabytes of storage, 4 exports, 2.5 million plus standard media. Then you have plus with 50 minutes of AI generation, 80 iStock images, 100 gigabytes of storage, unlimited exports, 2 voice clones, and up to 1 user. And then max will give you the whole repertoire of features, okay? And the pricing is so incredible that I would definitely urge you to get it right now, and please do make sure to get it through the link in the description below. As we come back here, you can see the video is being generated, and while that is being generated, we are given the prompt selection for this video. So here we have Best of Joe Rogan, Unforgettable Podcast Moments. Then you have Audiences. So I'm going to go with Joe Rogan fans, or you could go with pop culture followers as well. Then you have the look and feel. It could be professional, crisp, or headliner. I'm going to go with crisp. And then we have the platform. I'm going to go with YouTube and click on continue. Now, we're just quickly going to wait for both of these to be done. This one is pretty much done. You can view it in 480 pixels, but obviously you can go higher. Now let's see how the output of our prompt is.
Imagine a time and place far removed from our current understanding. Picture the vast arid expanse of the Egyptian desert. Rising from the sands, monumental structures, the pyramids, a testament to architectural prowess. But ask yourself, could mere mortals have achieved such a feat? The size and precision of these structures. Could they have been crafted by human hands alone, with rudimentary tools?
Now you can pretty much see all the images and all the narrations that they've used. They've even shown UFOs above the pyramids to, give the sense of aliens.
An encounter of the third kind, etched in stone. Could it be that the pyramids are not just tombs of pharaohs, but a lasting legacy of extraterrestrial?
So you can see even the voiceover is dark, there's creepy music in the background, and that's exactly what I wanted. This is the type of generation I wanted, and I'm pretty happy with it. Obviously, you can go ahead and tell them to edit the video, like you can delete the second scene, make the scene half as long, or maybe you can tell it to add more alien structures into it, not only UFOs, add more aliens, add more, life forms in it. So I can go ahead and alter it. So add more life forms. Okay. So life forms could be aliens, life form could be humans. You can obviously change the prompt as you go. It's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. And as you can see, it says, let's add more life forms to the script, which is pretty incredible. And while that is being done, as you can see, the Joe Rogan short is being created as well. Again, it's called Best of Joe Rogan, Unforgettable Podcast Moments. And we're just going to wait for it to go on and on as it generates. It says this might take a few minutes. Again, it doesn't take too long. 3 or 4 scenes are ready already. and we're just going to wait for it to, use the stock images and the different types of scriptings that it generates through AI. And once all of that is done, we're going to be good to go. Now, our Joe Rogan video is done as well, so let's go ahead and take a look
Cue
at
the
it.
sound of laughter, the clink of ice in a glass, and the unmistakable voice of Joe Rogan saying, "You know, the world of pop culture is a wild ride. Welcome to a deep dive."
So you can see how incredible the video is. They actually used a person in the background, and they're using, proper wordings according to his mouth movement.
It's 2024, and Joe Rogan is sitting across from Elon Musk.
And there's so much transition, so much color grading, great voiceover, and it's pretty incredible. So this is what InVideo AI actually brings you. This is the type of working you can expect from InVideo AI when you add in prompts. So that's pretty much for InVideo AI. Use its incredible features to do all of your ventures and get all of the features that you want on your social media video creation journey. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and again, please do make sure to turn the bell notifications on to never miss a video like this. Check the link in the description below to start using InVideo, and do let me know down in the comments below on how your prompts went. How did you feel about the platform, and if you availed the offer? I would love to know. Until next time, goodbye.